What is happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. Today, I'm taking a deep dive into the brand new iPhone 17. And listen, this might just be the best bang for your buck iPhone ever. In fact, I honestly feel like this is kind of an undercover iPhone Pro, but without the Pro price tag. So let's break it all down. We're going to talk about the design, the display, cameras, performance, and finally, whether this is the iPhone you should actually buy. So let's start with the design. Right out of the box, I have to say the iPhone 17 feels clean. Apple kept the same minimal look as the iPhone 16, and honestly, I love it. The blue color I have here looks sharp, it's subtle, but still really fresh. Size and weight are spot on, and it feels really nice in the hand. Yes, it's still super manageable for one-handed use, which is something I really value in a daily phone. And there's nothing flashy about the design as well, so that's kind of the point, right? It's classic iPhone, refined and not overcomplicated. Now, the display. Here is where things get really interesting. The iPhone 17 doesn't just have a good display, it has the exact same panel as the Pro model. And that means you're getting Pro motion at 120 Hz, scrolling, animations, gaming, it all feels buttery smooth. Plus, the brightness levels are identical to the Pro, so outdoor visibility is excellent, and HDR content pops. In real-world use, the screen feels every bit as premium as the Pro. And honestly, that's a huge win for the base model. Let's talk about cameras, because Apple has made a really bold move here. On the front, you get the brand new selfie camera with center stage. If you're on FaceTime or Zoom, WhatsApp video calls, the camera actually follows you as you move around. It's one of those little features that just make a difference in day-to-day life. And on the back, you might be surprised to hear this, but the iPhone 17 actually has a brighter main camera than the Pro. This one is a 26mm f1.6 lens, while the Pro has a 24mm f1.78. So technically, the iPhone 17 lets in more light. It's tighter, yes, but for photos and video, that can actually give you slightly better low light performance. And honestly, in real world shooting, the difference between this and the Pro model is smaller than you'd expect. Stabilization is smooth, detail is sharp, and overall, this is one of the best camera systems Apple has ever put on a base model iPhone. Now let's get into performance. Look, I could throw benchmark numbers at you, but here's the truth. In everyday use, this phone feels just as fast as the Pro. Apps open instantly, multitasking is smooth, games run beautifully, and there is no hesitation anywhere. And for the vast majority of people, you'll never notice a real-world difference between the iPhone 17 and the iPhone 17 Pro when it comes to performance. So what are the downsides of the base model 17? Honestly, not many actually. This phone covers all the basics, nails the essentials, and even borrows a ton of Pro features. If I had to nitpick though, I'd say the Pro models always get the more experimental tech first. But for most people, none of that really matters. This is just a smooth, reliable, and dare I say, maybe the most balanced iPhone Apple has ever made. So, to wrap things up, the iPhone 17 is the sweet spot in Apple's lineup this year. You're basically getting a pro-level experience without paying pro-level prices. The design is clean, the cameras are fantastic, performance is top tier, and the display is as good as it gets. If you want the best value iPhone in 2025, this is it. And honestly, guys, for the first time in a long time, I'd say skip the Pro and grab the iPhone 17. Right, that's it guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for my upcoming review of the iPhone 17 Pro and of course a direct head-to-head comparison with the base model 17. And I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay happy, good luck.